All right, so we got the starter out. That was not the easiest of tasks due to that stud, and it had a nut on it. Needed to grab an old wrench out of my grandpa's stash and double stack it. Made it work. But we got it, so it's out. Starter's out. Some of our bell housing bolts down here at the bottom are out. And it's weird how it's kind of a bell housing, but not. So we got our 3/4 drive extension because it's 3/4 drive in the balancer to turn the engine over. So we're gonna put the 3/4 ratchet in here, and then I'm gonna start undoing torque converter hardware. I'll be there in a minute to do a video with you. Hang on, Scotty. Brent's in there doing something.
Yeah.
Jesus. Everybody's so whiny today.
This is all on video.
I know, that's why it's funny. Anyway,
I'm
Scotty.
gonna shove you in this box, and then I'm gonna throw you in the dumpster.
Oh.
Ooh.
No, can we put it in the back of the dually? I'll drive.
We do live in the desert. Wait a minute, we can go to Lake Mead.
That's too far.
No,
Hey,
it's not.
Where's that at?
You don't have
It's
to
here in
go to
California.
No,
Just
it's in
put it-
Nevada.
We'll put it.
It's nowhere near California. You failed geography.
No, I've just never been to this side of the country before.
That's
So,
okay.
if we shove them in a barrel, fill it with cement, roll it in the water, they'll find them in 50 years, like they've been finding everybody for the past,
Well, maybe I should drain it.
Yeah.
Oh, but we're in a drought.
Hey, ladies.
They drain that shit.
Ladies.
Oh, hey, potty mouth.
Ladies.
Yes,
Anyway, we have the torque converter bolts are out. Okay, Burnsy's having fun playing spin the wheel.
What prize do I win?
Nothing. You get to take more shit apart.
Sounds about right.
So,
Oh.
all the flex plate bolts are out. That's done. The bottom half of our bell housing is undone. So now we're going to do the top half of our bell housing. And then we're going to see which scary way we're doing this. Because it's pretty much terrifying no matter what we do.
Do we call the chiropractor now or later?
Yeah, we need a double on Thursday.
Dude, I've needed it for the last 2 months. Especially after the Cella and Stagecoach. Sheesh.
Yeah, you worked pretty hard. I didn't get to see you because they put you in VIP, which means I had to pay for drinks.
Oh, that sucks.
Yeah, that was
Oh,
300. Thanks.
How much you spend?
Damn near $300.
Bro!
I didn't even get schmammered. Anyway, so that's the next step. All right, here we go.